say like I have here, stripped out hole. It don't go all the way through, and you know, I need a small bolt to go in there. If you run yourself into that situation, it's nice. I've never done a review on this set that you don't use every day, but boy, is it good to have it when you need it. You can get the big ones for spark plug holes, everything. This one is a metric. I believe everything is metric on this. Yeah, it's all metric, which lucky enough is what I need. So I need, what did I do with it? Okay, here it is. I need a M5. Right now that's small, but you can get a M12 as well. So this kit, what you're going to do is this one especially is nice because it comes with the drill, the tap, right? So what you're going to have to do is you find out what size, and this one is no brainer because it's already marked. Yeah, you can see that it's a 5.2, I guess, 5.2 drill bit. So when I get you set up here, we'll go to the process. So what you do is, I know a lot of you folks, if we only had to make a video on something somebody haven't done or haven't seen or don't know what to do, none of us would have any videos, I think. I'm guessing. So I'm going to drill this out with the 5.2. Well, maybe I won't. You know, it's funny. I got DeWalt, Hart. I had a Milwaukee drills, and and you know what? I'm always using this whatever this is, Hyper Tough. I just don't know why I'm. Okay, so that's done there. This is aluminum, or as the people across the pond says, aluminium. Aluminium? Yeah, something like that. So next is you take the tap, and you're going to tap it. I'm going to do a no-no, and I'm just going to chuck this up in the drill here. You know, go real slow. It is aluminum. You'll take your Helicoil, the little on the bottom. Make sure that you have, if you focus, see that little bin. Have that at the bottom, and you will. Where are you? And you'll have this. Right, got a little slot in there, so you'll put that until it lines up. Now this one, but you screw her in. Yeah, there you go. Break that. See if it don't slip. So remember, it's only, you know, a M5 bolt, so you can't take much torque. But that's how that's done, folks. I hope that helps you. Like I say, I'll just sand that down a bit. You know, give it a quick. I might even get away with it. I got about a 1/4 inch from this rail to the thing, so I should be all right. Spark plugs in a cylinder with these. Now, you know, with that said, you know, sometimes they last forever, and sometimes they don't. Preferred method but when you're in a jam, it really does work. So that's it. If you've never seen this tool, a kit, then you should get one. This one was pretty cheap. I think it was like 50 bucks. And you get 1, 2, 3, 7 different sizes. You know, you should have 2, one metric and one standard.